everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube video if it is not playing. As you can see that I'm trying to play a video on my YouTube, but it is not letting me do that. It only shows me the no connection error message. So if you are going through this error as well, then keep watching the video till the end since we'll be fixing it in today's video. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another content from us. If you're not being able to play your YouTube videos on your Android application of YouTube, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you're connected to an internet. Try switching off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and turn it back again. Once you're connected, go back to YouTube and see if that fixes your issue. If it does, then that's great. But if it does not, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you restart the YouTube app. If your YouTube is running on the background, simply clear it out and go to settings from your Android device. Tap it on in order to end up in the settings menu. Scroll all the way down and tap on apps. From the list of the application, search for YouTube application. Once you find it, give it a tap. Now, tap on the forward stop button at the lower right hand corner. From the pop-up, select OK. Now, go back to the YouTube application that has been installed on your mobile device and tap it open. Play a video and see if that fixed your issue. If it still does not, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you clear the YouTube app's cache. Go to settings one more time and tap it open. From the settings menu, select apps. Search for YouTube again and tap it on. From the app info page, go to storage. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see two buttons appearing, clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache at the lower right hand corner and go back to YouTube and see if that fixed your issue. If that still does not, then from the same page over here, you can tap on this clear data button at the lower left hand corner and from the pop-up, select OK. Go back to your YouTube application and tap it open. You'll need to log into your account since you've cleared out all of the data of the application. Choose one of your accounts from where you'd like to log in. You might need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Once you do that, your problem should be solved. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you are having trouble with your YouTube application on your Android device if it is not letting you play the video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.